Hello students, today our topic is polynomial parts second. We know before some day we do its first part. Now we are doing polynomial second part. Algebraic expression. You know algebraic expression is the terms of algebraic as t plus 1 by t root y plus 3 and 3 power y power 3 by 2 plus y square. These are all algebraic expression but not polynomial. Not polynomial. Why? They having at least one algebraic variable in which the exponent is not whole number, means its power is not whole number, so they are not polynomials. Now zero जो polynomial, zero means roots, शून्यक. तो जीरो जो polynomial as x equal to a, by putting the expressions in px, the px becomes 0, then x equal to a is called its zeros, and x minus a as its factors. By these we can do the factor theorem and remainder theorem. Remainder theorem means by putting the x equal to a in the given gx polynomial, the value of the polynomial is its remainder. And factor theorem means if remainder is the 0, if rx is 0, rx equal to 0, then the remainder is 0, so gx and px are the factor of px. एक बार फिर, if rx is 0, then gx and qx are the factor of the px. It is called factor theorem, गुणनखंड प्रमेय. Now we solve the polynomials by some identities. Now identities, a plus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square and a square minus b square का equal to and a plus b का cube etc. By using these identities we can find the factors of an polynomial. The identity must be properly applied on the px. Once again, px जो हमें गिवन है उसमें जो आइडेंटिटी इनमें से प्रॉपरली अप्लाई होगी, प्रॉपरली एक्यूरेटली अप्लाई होगी, that identity can be applied to find the roots, and the equation have number of roots is equal to the exponent of the px, means the px की जितनी हाईएस्ट वैल्यू होगी उतनी उसके जीरोज या रूट्स होंगे. That is called the zeros of the polynomial. By these identities we can solve any type of polynomials as x square plus 4 plus 4x. We have to find its roots. It is equal to x square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2x, which is equal to again x plus 2 का whole square. And by doing this way we can solve any px polynomial in factor. Okay, so this is the second part of polynomial. प्यारे बच्चों, आप लोगों को पता है ना, कुछ दिनों से हमारा चैनल आपके लिए लगातार महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक पर आपकी मदद कर रहा है सॉल्यूशन देकर. हम चाह रहे हैं कि आप लोग अपने टॉपिक को बड़ी अच्छी तरह समझें, बड़ी अच्छी तरह से ज्ञान प्राप्त करें। इसी के लिए ये चैनल आपकी मदद कर रहा है। अगर किसी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप हमें कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, और जो कि कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर आपको पता है 9467163080। वंस अगेन 9467163080। इस नंबर पर आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और अपने चैनल को अधिक से अधिक सब्सक्राइब करें, अधिक से अधिक ज्ञान प्राप्त करें और आगे ज्ञान को बांटें। धन्यवाद।